Hello guys, today I want to show you one of the most famous chess traps of chess history, which is the legal trap. Let's make the first moves e4, e5, knight f3, and white goes knight to c6. Both sides develop pieces and they free the bishops to find a good square. White plays bishop to c4. This is an Italian game, a very good move for white. Black plays d6, solidifying the pawn on e5 and freeing the bishop on c8, which is ready to get developed to d7 or to g4. Knight to c3, another development move. Knight is going towards the center. Black sees that they can pin the knight on f3 and play bishop to g4, pinning this knight. White plays h3, attacking the bishop and asking what he's going to do. Now the best move here for black is to capture, and white captures with the queen, so that there are three pieces developed for white and one piece developed for black, and white has advantage. But let's say black wants to keep the pin, and that is what happens all the time in chess. They go bishop to h5, keeping the pin, and white plays knight to knight takes e5, so leaving the queen attacked and sacrificing it. Black sees that after bishop takes f7, king has e7 square, and it's like close to center, and white will not have a queen, so they take the queen, and here goes the sequence of moves. Bishop takes f7, check. Black can only go to e7, this d7 square is protected, and beautiful mate, knight to d5, checkmate. Black gets checkmated in the center. Let's take a couple of moves back. Let's leave it here. And what if black takes the knight here? So white takes the bishop, and black sees this bishop undefended on c4, so they capture on c4. And now white has very nice check from b5, giving the check to king and attacking the knight, and knight cannot block this check, so white plays queen to d7 and white takes c4. And if you calculate the pawns, white is one pawn up and have a better position. Alright, thank you very much. See you next time.